So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ronica and today we're going to be preparing some lovely fried fish. Yeah guys, Jamaican fried fish. You know it's Easter and we eat fried fish with buns, so let's make some fried fish. So here I have 3 lovely snapper fish that I bought this morning. I already scraped them, but I still have some more trimmings to go. I have to cut the fins off, some more of the tail and all of that. So I'm just going to clean it up, wash it off, and then come back and show you guys how I prepare the fish to be fried. So after you wash your fish properly, you want to get some napkins, some dry napkins. You're going to pat dry the fish. You want to try to get off as much of that water because the fish will stick to the pan if you don't dry it properly. You have to pat dry the fish, make sure there is no excess water on your fish, and then we're just going to core the sides. You can core it how you'd like, but I'm just coring the sides. Then I'm going to season them. After I core the sides, I'm going to season the fish. So I'm going to be using some black pepper, some all-purpose, and some salt, and I'm just going to season it. Make sure to get some of that seasoned mixture in the core of the fish and also in the head. So the black pepper, the all-purpose, and the salt, you want to rub it in the core. You want to get some in the belly of the fish and also in the head of the fish. Whatever you have leave, you can just sprinkle it all over, or you can just put it aside. So after finish seasoning, we're just going to go and fry. So here I have my frying pan. I have half a cup of oil and I'm going to fry my fish. So I did cut the fish in half because I'm using a small frying pan and they can't hold in it, so I did cut it in half. So here I'm just going to add some green seasoning to give the fish a nice flavor. So I'm going to add some garlic, some thyme, some onion, and of course we can't fry fish without pepper. These seasoning give the fish a nice flavor, guys. Whenever you're frying fish, just add some green seasoning to it, trust me. So now we're just going to flip them over. So if your seasons are cooked, your onion and your thyme, you can remove them. You can remove them because we get all the flavor and the nutrients from them once they're already cooked. So you can just go ahead and remove them and allow the fish to fry until it's golden brown. Now we're going to add the rest of the fish to the pan. And it's the same process. You just add the fish, allow it to cook on one side golden brown, and then allow it to cook on the other side golden brown. So you might want to flip it at least 2 to 3 times before you take it out. So this is it now, guys. This is how your fish should be looking when it's finished fry. Crispy and nice and golden brown. Look at this one, beautiful. This is how your fish should be looking. So that's it for today's video, guys. This is my lovely fried fish. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.